Imagine losing multiple kilograms of weight in just 1 hour by flushing out your system. It sounds unbelievable, but this one flush can actually make it happen. This one flush is such a strong saline laxative that it purges your bowel by drawing water into the intestines and actually triggering your bowel movements like clockwork. We will talk about this. It's actually even used in medical environments before colonoscopies to make sure a person is completely clean. So stick around here until the very end. I will show you exactly how to do this cleanse safely and step by step. I want to tell you all the important critical safety secrets you need to consider. Not only that it's safe, but also that it's as effective as it should be. You should not ignore that. Let's get straight into that. And first of all, how to do that flush safety. Number one is the timing. Do this flush first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Do not eat for 2 hours before. If you do it in the morning on an empty stomach, you haven't eaten anyways 8 to 10 hours before, so that's perfect, right? And also do not eat after doing that flush for at least like 2 hours to maximize the effect and also avoid being nauseous. Also read the disclaimer in the video description down below. I just really want to make sure we are here on the same side. Number two is the dosage, right? A typical adult takes 6.5 to 10 ounces if you're American, 200 to 300 milliliters of liquid. And now we are getting into what is used, magnesium citrate, right? And if you are using powder, which I really prefer using powder, that is between 2 to 4 teaspoons. I'm personally using like 30 grams of the citrate. Use the higher end if you are larger, bigger, more weight, fat, muscle, whatever. And at the lower end, if you are smaller, it really depends on your own body weight, right? Use pure magnesium citrate without fillers. I usually do that. And also the fillers have weight, so they actually change the dosage in that case. And measure carefully. I'm using a scale actually to do so. And yeah, always look out for whether it's a magnesium citrate or elemental magnesium, right? The quantities I set was towards magnesium citrate. The elemental is just a part of that, right? Not that you're taking too much. That is important to understand. Number three, mix the drink and dissolve it properly. So you dissolve the magnesium citrate in approximately 8 ounces of water, whatever, like a big glass of water. It should be warm water, which helps it to dissolve it faster. And you drink it all and you follow it with another glass. Stay well hydrated afterwards. So wait a little bit and then drink more water. Magnesium citrate actually pulls a lot of water into your gut, which is what you want. Stay near toilet. That is what I want to tell you. Don't take it at the job. Don't take it when you are out in the city. You will need the toilet close to you, that is for sure. The effects can actually kick in within 30 minutes already. For some people, it will take an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So you need to be ready. And when it hits, expect it to be urgent. Watery, your body flushes everything out, which is beautiful. You lose a lot of kilograms of toxic waste in your body. You may have multiple bathroom trips. Some people might have cramping. I just want to prepare you for that. It may actually last for a couple of hours. It will stop, but it might take a few hours after the flush. That's number 5. Once the bowel movements taper off, slowly you will see the urgency gets less and less after time. Rehydrate actually well. Keep drinking water or an electrolyte drink to actually replace the fluids you lost during that purge. Wait until you are done before eating, right? That's what I usually do, and I always start with a light meal first. This is a cleansing day, so you should actually eat appropriately afterwards. You will feel, however, cleansed. You will feel detoxed. You will feel reset, and you will also feel very calm because of all of that magnesium. I really like the feeling there. So I want to give you definitely some final tips and safety thoughts here. Do this flush only occasionally. Frequent use can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance and dependency on laxatives. You don't want that. Limit it to maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months. If you have any health conditions, any kidney things, you take any medications, definitely check with your doctor first. And now the critical secret. The weight you lose there is, of course, not necessarily the body fat, right? You're losing mostly water and the feces waste of your body. You will, however, see the weight of the scale drop very quickly, and yeah, that is of course a beautiful thing. This can be a great jumpstart for your weight loss journey. Let me know what you think about that. Subscribe to the channel and watch this very important weight loss video also. And as always, guys, bye.